All right, guys, so we are going to take a look at this Hideout 28 RKS, and this is another unit featured in our sale going on right now until October 30th. So you guys will have to come out and see all the really awesome campers that are a part of that sale. And that some of them even have an additional amount off. So this one in particular has an extra $1,000 off the already sale price, which is pretty awesome. Going over our specs first, our weight is looking at 6,954 pounds with a length of 32 feet 11 inches. So it's kind of in the middle as far as weight goes. A lot of tow vehicles are still able to tow this camper. So getting started with the outside first, really interesting front cap. There's a lot of white incorporated in it, which just looks great. This does have the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty with Keystone. Nice smooth front cap with the aluminum siding and quite a bit of diamond plating to just help that protect that front cap from scratches or gravel, road debris, anything like that jumping up there. Then you got your power tongue jack. 2 propane tanks are behind there, and you also have this casing to help protect it. Spot for your battery. Coming over here, you are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras, so you are able to purchase one of those cameras if you would like. All you have to do is just pop it in there, and you're able to view the sides of your camper while you're taking it down the road, or even just lining it up into your campsite spot. You also have some pass-through storage in this coach. Front and rear power stabilizer jacks, a power awning as well that has a white LED light strip, so it looks pretty cool at night. Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and then you got your friction hinge doors, so you don't have to worry about the wind slamming it into your camper or slamming it against your camper, so it really prevents that damage. Solid steps at your entrance, and these fold into your camper very nicely, but these are super sturdy, great for a lot of people running in and out of the camper, kids, pets, and they're great for people who've had knee or hip replacement surgery as well. Oversized grab handle. And then just next to that, this is something recent that they added, is a pet leash, which is something they've had, but they added these really cute designs on it for your pets. So the paw print and then the dog bone. It also doubles as a bottle opener. Power here on the outside, and it's protected underneath your awning, so you can plug anything in that you would like. And also underneath your awning is your outside kitchen, so you can still cook out here even if it's raining outside or is super duper hot. Mini fridge for kids beverages, fruit, snacks, water, adult beverages, anything that you want. And then open storage for utensils, plates, and whatnot. Couple burners underneath there. Access to your water heater. And then at the back, you also have an outside shower. You can kind of use this for whatever you would like. Fresh water connection. You are pre-wired for a backup camera, so just like the Furrion cameras, you can get this if you would like. Spare tire. And then coming over here, we have one slide out. City water connection, and this is also where you dump your tanks at. So now let's take a look at the inside. So coming all the way to the master bedroom, queen size bed, and it does lift up for some extra storage underneath. End tables are on both sides. The one on the right actually doubles as a laundry chute, so that is pretty cool. You can just throw all of your dirty clothes down there and not even have to think about it until you get back from your vacation. So no more socks laying around everywhere. I know that drives me insane. Power outlets on both sides to charge your electronics or plug in a sleep app machine. And then above each is a closet locker, so you can hang up your clothes, fold your clothes, do anything that you want. And there's also a mirror panel on it, so you can look at that while you get ready. Open shelf too that extends across, and you have windows on either side. The one on the left is an emergency exit. And then also you have even more closet storage at the end of your bed. Same clothes rack that extends across, and you also have a couple drawers underneath. Across from your bed as well, you also have a spot for a TV to hang up if you would like. Could be a great way to relax. And then coming in here is our bathroom. So, angled porcelain foot flush toilet, nice and sturdy. You actually have quite a bit of leg space, so you don't have to knock your knees on anything. And then we have our nice stand-up shower, plenty of room to turn around in. Vent fan up above, but you can also use it as a skylight too, so you can open it up. I would just remember to close it before it starts raining if it's in the forecast. 3-paneled sliding glass shower door, and it does open on both sides, but it has this really pretty seafoamy green teal color to it. It's very beachy looking. Then across from your toilet is your sink. Got some storage down below, power as well if you need it, and then a medicine cabinet. And then coming out here, kind of across from your entrance, you have access to your convenience center, control panel, whatever you want to call it. So slide out awning lights, all of that fun stuff, and then control for your AC. And then coming into the rest of our camper, to my left is your theater reclining seats. I love that these are not connected, so you can kind of change the position of them if you would like. Move them pretty much any which way that you would like. Better view for the TV. Also have this end table on both, or not both sides, end table in the middle for some decorations or placing your electronics, anything like that. Power as well. And then if you can see, you have a road vac system built in there. So that's where you can hook up your 30-foot nozzle that comes with the camper. And you're actually able to vacuum every square inch of this unit. So you do not have to bring a broom or a vacuum, which is one less thing to worry about because you already got one built in. Great big window there on the back. And you also have some cabinet space up above. And then you have your entertainment center diagonal from that. Electric fireplace down below, and this actually kicks off some heat, so you don't have to worry about using up your propane to heat up your camper. You can save that for something else, and it actually looks really pretty too. You can also just turn on the lights if you would like. There's, I think, 3 different color settings: reddish, blue, and then maybe like a purpley looking color. Storage is on either side as well, and then that open shelving. Your Furrion Bluetooth speaker system to access those outside and inside speakers. And then a good sized TV. It is on a swivel. Across from your theater seats is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold down into a sleeping spot for 1 to 2 people depending on size. And then to the left of that is your booth dinette that also folds out into a sleeping space for 1 to 2 people. And this table is not connected. So if you wanted to put this in front of your theater seats, you can do that, or your sofa, or even just take it outside, maybe place some cards next to the fire. Love that it is not connected, so you have the option to do all those things. Storage is here on the left below this seat. And then coming into our gorgeous rear kitchen space. To the right of everything is some pantry space, and it goes back pretty far. Stainless steel refrigerator, if I can figure out which side opens. Then you got your microwave range hood, 3-burner top stove with this glass cover. And there is the oven. Very much quite a bit of countertop space. So food prep, you can have a spread going, you know, buffet style. You can have a bunch of mixing bowls, cutting boards everywhere because you have a lot of extra countertop space, which is always a need and always a plus. Power on the back so you can plug some small appliances in there, and more storage is down below as well as up above in these cabinets. And then you have your stainless steel open mount sink with a spray nozzle so you can watch the TV while you're washing your dishes and things like that. So our sale price comes out to be $31,875, and like I said before, you get an additional $1,000 off this unit. Pretty amazing. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.